Okay, everybody, we're going to discuss chaining or welding down the A-arms. The backside is chained because that's how I like to do it. I used the factory A-arm that came with the car specifically for this tutorial. Now, everybody knows next to this rubber, there's like a little divot right here. You cut that divot out, and it'll give you a little bit of height. Set it down on the frame, weld it in. When you use a chain, you can get it a little bit better welded. And with some work and elbow grease, you can get almost the same height as if you switched your A-arm to a newer metric style or the style that we use. But our rules state that you can weld the A-arm down, and you may use 2x4 by 1/8 inch strap to help do that. Well, how I interpret that and how everybody interpreted chaos a few years ago was you could weld the whole damn A-arm down. Up here, here, and then when you get your 2x4 by 1/8, I just added it to where our angle iron is to help keep this from walking. Plus it shortened up the gap here where Buicks and Olds and Chevys, all of them, like to bend. So if you guys want to take that in and see what you think, I guess I'm out. So build it better.